In this episode, we will explore a sample interview for a Python developer requirement. To go to the Python workspace, we will click on the CoPanel icon on the status bar at the bottom and then select Python from the drop-down menu. This will open the Python project. Like every project in CoPanel, this project also has a README file that contains instructions on how to handle the project. The candidate can take a minute to go through the README file and understand how to use the workspace. The interviewer asks the candidate to write a function that takes a list of integers and returns a dictionary with the count of each unique integer in the list. The candidate creates a new Python file and notes the requirement for easy reference. The candidate then starts coding. Once the coding is done, the candidate opens the terminal from the menu bar, then selects Terminal and New Terminal. As an industry best practice, CoPanel has already created a new virtual environment for this project. The candidate has to activate the environment and then run the code. If the code works properly, we will see the desired output. CoPanel also allows the candidate to install any additional modules using the pip command inside the virtual environment. Thank you for your interest in CoPanel. For more information, please visit us at copanel.online or shoot out a mail to sales@copanel.online. Also, please follow us on social media to stay on top of the latest updates from CoPanel.